The Igbo people are renowned for their resilience, brilliance, and cultural pride, and many Igbo individuals in the US continue to excel in various fields while upholding their heritage. These exceptional individuals have achieved global success, making Ndi Igbo proud while quietly representing the Igbo community. Although some may not be widely recognized as Igbo, but their accomplishments shine a spotlight on Igbo excellence. One such figure is Jidenna Theodore Mobisen, better known as Jidenna. Born to Igbo parents from Imo State, Jidenna is a successful rapper and singer, raised partly in Nigeria, where his father worked as a professor. Jidenna has integrated his Nigerian roots into his music and style, making a name for Ndi Igbo while never forgetting his heritage. In academia, Nwando Achebe has made significant strides. She's a celebrated Nigerian-American historian and professor, known for her contributions to African history and feminism. As the daughter of famed Nigerian author Chinua Achebe, she has continued the legacy of excellence, representing the Igbo people at Michigan State University, where she holds a prestigious position and works toward promoting diversity and equity. Emmanuel Acho, a former NFL player turned sports analyst, has also made a lasting impression in the US. Born to Igbo immigrants from Abia State, Emmanuel is known for his social justice initiatives and his thoughtful commentary on race relations in America. His advocacy for change and his prominent media presence reflects the strong values held by Igbos worldwide. Another shining star is Uzomaka Uzo Aduba, who has captivated audiences with her acting talent, particularly in her role as Susan Crazy Eyes Warren in Orange is the New Black. Uzo, born to Igbo parents from Anambra State, has become one of the most celebrated actresses of her generation, with multiple Emmy Awards to her name, proudly representing the Igbo people in Hollywood. In the world of aviation, Kimberly Anyadike made history at the age of 15, when she became the youngest African-American woman to fly across the United States. Born to Igbo parents from Imo State, Anyadike's accomplishment is a testament to the ambition and drive that Ndi Igbo are known for. Meanwhile, Nnamdi Asamoah, a former NFL star turned actor and producer, continues to excel in multiple fields. Born to Igbo parents, Nnamdi achieved great success in his football career, being named to multiple All-Pro teams. His acting career has also garnered critical acclaim, showcasing his versatility and reminding the world of Igbo resilience and adaptability. Another remarkable name is Adaeze Ifeoma Atuego, a prolific Nigerian-American novelist and writer. Born in Enugu to Igbo parents from Anambra State, Adaeze became one of Nigeria's youngest and most prolific authors, publishing 17 books by the age of 17. Her work spans various genres from children's stories to medical non-fiction, and she has earned a place as a literary trailblazer. Adaeze's success both in the US and Nigeria highlights the intellectual prowess that Igbo people bring to every field they venture into. These individuals, among many others, continue to make Igbos proud, excelling in their respective fields while embracing their roots. From the arts to sports, academia, and beyond, they are leaving their mark globally and elevating the name of the Igbos without denying their heritage. Their stories are proof that Igbo excellence knows no boundaries, and they serve as inspiration to both the diaspora and those at home in Nigeria. If you know of more famous Igbo people making waves in the US, let us know in the comments below. This is Igbo People TV, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.